This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by importing a clean audio file into Cubase and getting tempo alignment. First, create an audio track and drop your file in. Make sure project tempo roughly matches the performance so transient detection works. Once the file is placed, enable musical mode for pitched instruments or use tempo detective for free timing. This helps Cubase analyze note pitch and timing. Make sure the track is trimmed and normalized, so the conversion algorithm sees stable levels before you proceed to detection. Next, perform the actual analysis and convert detected notes into Midi. For monophonic melodic lines, open the audio editor and run Vari audio detection. For rhythmic material, slice with hit points, then use drum replacement or convert to Midi function. Adjust detection sensitivity and correct pitch segments manually. This reduces false notes and jitter. Once satisfied, use the Convert to Midi command or drag the detected notes to a Midi instrument track. This creates a Midi part you can edit and route to any VSD instrument. Finish by cleaning and exporting the Midi so it truly matches the original feel. You'll quantize or humanize timing, edit wrong pitches, and normalize velocities to taste. Trimming overlapping notes prevents stuck notes. If notes are consistently wrong, pre-process the audio with EQ or noise reduction, then rerun detection at a different sensitivity. Making source audio clearer improves results. Finally, export the Midi file or save the project. If conversion fails entirely, re-record with a cleaner take or split complex polyphonic parts before converting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.